We've been organic food pioneers in Italy for over 20 years. Abafoods was founded in 1993 and today is a European leader in the production of plant-based beverages and creams alternative to milk and dairy. We also serve multiple markets with very different logistics standards in terms of pallet type or palletization requirements. The main objective of the project was to increase the production throughput with a flexible solution, integrated with our digital infrastructure, able to improve intralogistics efficiency, while also increasing the safety on site by reducing pedestrian forklift mixed traffic. Additional challenges were to fit such solution in a rather small factory footprint, optimizing the use of existing space and implementing the project without stopping production, but selectively intervening to secure our capability to keep serving our customers and consumer while transforming the site. It is important to highlight that during the design phase of the project, great attention was put into making sure the changes were future-proof, hence developing a layout able to sustain future growth in a logical manner.
Performance and efficiency improvement through innovation, automation and safety are the key elements that have driven the end-to-end solution project together with Abafoods. The complexity of the project needed an end-to-end teamwork involving our partner E80 Group since the preliminary study. Flexibility and adaptability to the situation were key to succeed. The experience of our engineers, combined with the most advanced technology of 3D mapping, were able to identify the best possible layout. Besides, our collaboration with Abafoods and all the suppliers was key to deliver compact and efficient interconnected equipment to Abafoods integrated system. Thanks to the collaboration and the strong planning work, we were able to deliver a complex project where we changed the layout of 4 secondary packaging lines, installing a new end-to-end line from the processing Tetraderm Aseptic BKS to one centralized E80 silkworm wrapper label serving all lines, with no impact on the production continuity, but reaching Abafoods efficiency targets. Altogether, we were able to optimize the space, increasing the safety for the operators and the total efficiency of the plant. We already prepared the plant for the installation of new future added lines for a customer like Abafoods, where we wanted to be the partner to support their growth ambition with our innovative, sustainable portfolio.
With many similar projects, the main challenge is working in a brownfield plant, where the plant is not made to fit the solution, but the solution has to be made to fit the plant. We got around this problem with our 2 advanced design tools. The first thing we did when Abafoods gave us the go-ahead with the project was to 3-dimensionally scan the plant, obtaining a very precise digital representation. This technology is extremely helpful when it comes to brownfield plant because it allows us to study in detail the existing space and create an accurate layout version of the customer factory. With 3D mapping, when we were in the design phase, we could already see that there would be a possible potential collision between a palletizer anthropomorphic arm and a ceiling beam in the space where this palletizer would have been installed. Our smart design tool offers additional benefits. For Abafoods, we simulated the flows of the factory, evaluating all operating scenarios, both current and future. A pressure test in the design phase allowed us to identify with 95% reliability the most efficient intralogistics solution, responding in advance to future increases in production and the next expansion of the plant. This commitment to system performance is a feature that we are able to achieve for the entire life cycle of the plant. These 2 tools have allowed us in the design phase to develop, implement and guarantee a customized, reliable and modular solution, optimizing the existing tight spaces. As for future modification and expansions, with our increasingly innovative modular solutions, we can change and add solutions as if the factory were made of Legos. And all of it will continue to be optimized and managed by the LGV system and SMILE E80 software.
All the different goals have been achieved by the project. The safety of our intralogistics system have been improved by using LGVs, laser-guided vehicles, which greatly reduce forklift pedestrian interference and the consequent risk of incident, a risk that resulted in 11 near misses just in 2021. Moreover, the re-layout designed together with E80 and Tetra Pak and the use of LGVs have allowed us to remove a critical bottleneck in the material flow that was caused by the forklift mission starting from the warehouse and going to the manufacturing hall to retrieve the finished products. The solution, designed by E80 in team with Tetra Pak and Abafoods, is also more efficient and more flexible, since any future increase in production lines or layout modifications will only require a rerouting of the LGVs instead of the dismantling or the building of floor anchor structures to move the materials. This leads to increased efficiency of all intralogistic operations and also to a reduction in our environmental impact. As far as return of investment is concerned, I'll give you one piece of data. If it had been necessary for us to build a new production floor, we would have easily spent 5 to 6 million euros. However, by optimizing the existing space, thanks to the E80 Group studies and technology, we only invested 1.5 million for the infrastructure, and with the difference, we have implemented an automated and integrated intralogistics solution without ever stopping the production.